So I am a passionate person when it comes to domestic violence. I have been doing this over 30 some odd years, all over. I'm all over in all 5 boroughs. Whatever the need is, I will be there because I believe in equality and out here with organizations that believe in the work that we do. So thank you and keep on. Because of Suriname, as I stated, whenever I have flag raising, she's always there. Whatever the need is, she will be there.
Thank you for having this beautiful event.
I take thank you.
নামটি মোর লতার কোলে চাঁদনি রাতে বাসর জাগি চাঁদের সাথে লতার কোলে চাঁদনি রাতে বাসর জাগি চাঁদের সাথে ভোরের বেলা নয়ন কোলে দোল শিশির দুলবো আমি বনু ফুলবো ছন্দে ছন্দে দুলে আনন্দে আমি বনু ফুলবো আমি বনু ফুলবো আমি বনু ফুলবো
The song when he was 19 years old, Aitabe Shahotri, the first one. And the second one was, it looked like a Nojrul Giti, but it's not like a Nojrul Giti. The main singer was Kanan Baladevi, and the lyric was Pranab Roy. So we basically chose those songs because one is the dedicated for world poet Rabindranath Tagore, and other one because spring is coming. So I want their like a blooming on the stage, the flower. So I don't know how you enjoy it. Hopefully they will give you a different dance on this stage. Thank you so much inviting us. Thank you.
घिंतांग घिंतांग मदन बसा नच नच नाच के ना होना मनाले से हंस हंस नाच घिंतांग घिंतांग मदन बसा नच नच नाच के ना होना मनाले से हंस हंस नाच मेरी माँ को झूले बनी जिसके हो छमाले गाँव को दिल लगाओ छन बता सही मलाई
they independent, they can work for the women. So first women educated, your country will be educated. Thank you all of here too, and I feel really honored with I see all excellent women with me, and so I'm really inspired from her too. Thank you.
Ready guys? Smile please. Thank you, love you all.